Welcome to today's vlog episode. So, what am I talking about today? Today, I'm going to be talking about how to train your chest in a bodyweight fashion. So why am I showing you how to train in a bodyweight fashion? Okay, the reason is simple. Number one, some of you might not want to go to the gym and train. Number two, maybe because of COVID, you find the gym is so crowded, you don't really want to be training in a gym, you want to be somewhere empty and quiet. So, what equipment do you need to train your chest? Nothing. Nothing really? You don't need anything? Yes, you don't need any machine at all. You don't need any cables, you don't need any dumbbells. So for a calisthenic fashion, right, what you just need to do yourself, and you need to keep your reps controlled, and maybe a bench, any bench, like the bench in the public parks, the bench in those void deck corners. Those benches are good enough to use it for chest training. Okay, so stay tuned to find out more about the chest workout. So, here we are at the fitness corner, okay? Behind me, there's a pull-up bar. You can see here, it's very quiet and there's nobody. So, we're just gonna do our push-ups here. On this thingy here, I'm gonna show you how to train the 3 different parts of your chest muscle. Stay tuned. So here is a very commonly seen bench, fitness bench that you can see in most of the fitness corners in Singapore. So you can do a lot of different exercises here, like squats, jump squats, step ups, side step ups, planks, push-ups, sit-ups, what else? Crunches, leg raises, bench dips. You can do a lot with this bench. So don't underestimate it. Be creative. So my first exercise here, it will be a very commonly seen upper chest movement. It's called a decline push-up. So what I'm trying to do here is to keep my shoulders in front of my wrists, adjust my body in a good position, make sure my body is one full straight line, and I form a nice 90 degree when I go down at the bottom. And also I want to control my movement, make sure my core is tight, my legs and glutes are engaged. That will help me to hold my spine in one straight line. First tip, focus on your upper chest. Alright, second tip, make sure your 5 fingers are spread open. Second exercise we are going to be doing is push-ups. So commonly seen everywhere, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Same theory applies, body straight, engage core, engage legs, engage the glutes, shoulders in front of your wrists. Slowly do the motion up and down, do not jerk, alright? Step number 1, make sure you feel the middle part of your chest. Step number 2, make sure you spread your 5 fingers open, clench your palm, and lastly, engage your core. Final exercise is a incline push-up. So it's kind of similar to a dip, but if you're a beginner, you're starting out, the dip might be too hard for you, try this instead. Same theory applies, control, slowly come down and up, make sure you inhale down and exhale up as you go, and do not rush the motions. Control, engage your core, feel it in your lower part of your chest, let your whole body come up and down together. No jerking, no jumping around, and focusing only on your chest, using your shoulders and tricep to push together. Alright, let me know how it goes. So, we've come to the end of today's chest training episode for the bodyweight session. So some progression for you to try is you can start with a rep range of 6 to 8, or if you are stronger, the next level will be 8 to 10. If you are even stronger, you want to go beast mode, you can try 10 to 12 or even 10 to 15. So try it out. Let me know in the comments below how you find the workout. Stay tuned for my next episode on back training. How can you replicate a back training just using a pull-up bar on its own? So, I'm also opening up personal training slots in a town area. I have a gym in Bugis or Farrer Park. If you want to transform yourself in 2022, you want to feel healthier, you want to feel stronger, you want to feel fitter, let me know. Drop me an email, fill up my link in my bio. Tell me why you want to get fit and also what are your fitness goals so I can help you better. So take care, train hard, stay safe, goodbye.